How my best brings out the best in others. Wherever you go, no matter the weather, always bring your own sunshine. Anthony D'Angelo. These words hold a truth that you can't always rely on another to bring out the best in yourself, but you can always hope for the inverse, to bring out the best in others. As an individual, I try and do so in three main areas. First, on the football field. Second, in speech and debate. And finally, through community service. Now, the first area we're going to look towards is the football field. Now, I've never intercepted a football or even ran in a touchdown, but I have a unique role that most individuals couldn't live up to. That's the role of the hype man. If you've never heard of a hype man, he's the individual who gives high fives before the game and gets the crowd going. Now, by doing this, sure, I might not be scoring points, but I set the tempo. The tempo is the most important factor in any football game. By establishing this tempo, I know that I have a presence on the field, whether I'm on it or off it. In big game scenarios, such as state championships, my team has done a great job. In our last two state championships, we have won both of them because of this tempo. Now, of course, I wasn't there to block the football down in the second overtime, but I was there to get everyone going because I know that my teammates are working to their best capabilities because of this established tempo. As an individual, I know that I set the standard of play for that game and for my team simply by doing my best. Now, it's hard to see the sunshine at a night game. That's why I have to create my own. And on the football field, I try my hardest to let it radiate onto others. The second area we're going to look towards is speech and debate. Now, this great young student you see before you wasn't always a great student. I was once a C average student. But I worked my hardest to become an AB honor roll student my entire senior year, thanks to one great event. That is speech and debate. Speech and debate has made me a better individual who can think critically and speak in front of others. This has helped me in many different ways. And I know that if I can influence even one individual to join this great event, I'm making their life better. Now, I try and bring out the best in others simply through recruiting individuals to this great event. Being lucky enough to win 2 state championships this year, one in speech, one in debate, I've been able to recruit over 7 students. When they see the publicity, whenever they hear of the event in the school news, the first thing that they think is, wow, that is interesting. And whenever they come to me with interest in this event, I know that I'm making them a better student. At the same time, I know that when you perform your best in the debate room, you do your best academically as well. All of my teammates can say that they've done just a little bit better because of my presence. I'm there to tell students this is what you need to do. This is how we're going to do it. I'm the senior team captain that you can come to and say, listen, I don't know what to do. So not only am I trying to bring out the best in these individuals who aren't in the debate world, yet at the same time, I'm trying to bring out the best in my fellow teammates, knowing that they could be better students. Now, my mom says I'm no ray of sunshine, and it might be true at times, but when it comes to debate, I bring my sunshine with me, indoor and outdoor, to help all the individuals on my team and hopefully help those within my school's community. Now, the third area we're going to focus on is by far the most important, community service. Now, myself and a ragtag group of 3 other individuals in my school formed a club recently that was focused on raising money for wounded vets within our community. Now, not only does this help us as individuals in the sense that we know that we are giving back, we are helping individuals in need, but at the same time, it does the most important thing ever, and it helps those individuals who don't know where their next meal is coming from. Just this year, we were able to raise over $2,500 for wounded vets in our community. This ragtag group of 4 grew to a group of over 35 dedicated to helping those within our community. And well, I can say that sometimes I'm not a ray of sunshine. I know that I am able to spread this sunshine throughout my community by giving it to the individuals who need it, who don't know where their next meal is coming from, and who have most importantly fought so bravely to secure the freedom that I have as a citizen of this great country. Wherever you go, no matter the weather, always bring your own sunshine. Because the fact is, you can't always rely on others. You yourself have to act your best, and only in hope of bringing out the best within others.